The tailor bird and the farmer. Once a bird built a nest on a small plant in a paddy field. She lived in the nest with her young ones. It was early autumn. The crops started to ripen. Soon it would be time to harvest the crops. One day the farmer and his wife come to the paddy field. The farmer said to his wife, "Tomorrow I will go to my neighbor's house. My neighbors and I will come and reap the crops together." The mother bird and the chicks heard this. The chicks were frightened. One of the chicks said, "Let's go to a safe place. We must leave this place at once." The mother bird said, "Don't be afraid. There is still some time for us to go away from this place." A few days later, the farmer and his wife came again to the field. The farmer said to his wife, "I cannot wait for my neighbor to help me. I must reap the crop myself at once." The mother bird and the chicks heard this. The farmer will not wait for his neighbor's help. He is going to reap the paddy himself. The mother bird said, "Now we must go to a safe place at once." She said,